This is a bedtime story about how everyone stopped caring about sleep and me telling them to stop acting crazy, go to sleep. Exactly. Look at my hat. It all started with everyone working too much and getting distracted by social media, TV, and even late-night YouTube videos. IKEA needed to remind everybody how important sleep is in a way that stood out from the hundreds of other mattress brands. So we talked to each person directly at the exact time they were avoiding sleep. I started online by personally telling people who were still up late watching YouTube to go sleep. Why are you not asleep? It's almost 10:45 p.m. Do you not have a relaxing mattress with high resilience foam? Comfy. Get one when IKEA opens in 11 hours and 15 minutes. No matter what time of night it was. It's 1:36 a.m. It's almost 2:17 a.m. I even told them exactly when IKEA opened in the morning. Do you not have a relaxing mattress with high resilience foam? Get one when IKEA opens in 6 hours and 30 minutes, 11 hours and 15 minutes, 7 hours and 45 minutes. All kinds of video categories were targeted, like cat videos and cooking and football. Both kinds, targeting everyone watching the Super Bowl and UEFA Champions League. More cat videos, more cooking videos, go sleep. Basically, I gave everybody across the country a totally unique ad. Then, we made our bedtime message even bigger. We brought the idea to real life using time-triggered billboards to tell everyone still outside to go inside to their comfy beds. I even went on everyone's tellies to tell them how comfy the IKEA mattress is in a relaxing lullaby. You are getting very sleepy because this IKEA mattress has pressure-relieving memory foam and a comfy support system. And because my voice is so soothing. Nighty-night. So even with these crazy distractions and other mattress ads, IKEA stood out. I brought sleep back into everyone's lives, and they slept happily ever after. Story time is now over. Stop watching case study videos and go to sleep.